The 7 biggest e-bike buying mistakes. Are you thinking about buying an electric bicycle but confused about all the choices? If you want to buy an e-bike that's exactly right for you, don't make one of these 7 mistakes. Mistake number 1. Don't believe the mileage range estimates of the manufacturer. Cars all have an industry miles per gallon standard, but there is no MPG standard for which all e-bikes are tested. When a manufacturer states the range of an e-bike, it's meaningless unless they factored in your weight, the terrain you're riding on, and your speed. If 2 e-bikes have similar drive systems, the one with the bigger battery will go further. Mistake number 2. Not understanding how to compare batteries. The battery is like the gas tank in your car. The range of 2 e-bikes with the same type of motor is determined by the size of the battery in watt-hours. The watt-hours are equal to the voltage times amp-hours. Most e-bike batteries come in 37 and 48 volts and are between 8 and 30 amp-hours. For instance, 37 volts times 20 amp-hours equals 740 watt-hours, and that's the battery's capacity. Mistake number 3. Buying a hub motor e-bike to climb hills. There are 2 main types of electric bike drive systems: hub motors and mid-drive systems. Hub motors work fine on flat ground, but they are unable to climb hills efficiently like mid-drive systems. A hub motor is like a fixed gear bike and only optimized for one speed. Mid-drive systems use the gears of the e-bike in parallel with the rider. That maintains optimum efficiency on flat ground, along with optimum efficiency on steep hills. Mistake number 4. Believing manufacturers' speed claims. There is no government standard for claims about top speed made by electric bike manufacturers. For a top speed rating to be accurate, it has to be a speed that an e-bike can maintain for a long distance, not just a short burst. Mistake number 5. Buying the same bike for you and your spouse. You and your spouse may not need the same electric bike to ride together. A spouse that is lighter does not need as much power to climb the same hill. Women tend to prefer smaller bikes and those with smoother power. So make sure that you get an e-bike that is right for your individual physique. Mistake number 6. Not understanding the difference in quality. There's a great range of quality in e-bike components, often with the same brand name. You can buy a suspension fork for $80 or $2,000, and a rear gear cassette from $15 to $450. There are many counterfeit brand name components. Counterfeit components are cheaply made and have no warranty. These low-grade components perform poorly and wear out quickly. Mistake number 7. Not reading the Electric Bike Book by Jim Turner. This book will help you avoid the 7 buying mistakes. Plus, it will give you a thorough understanding of today's e-bikes. For a limited time, get a free copy at Optibike.com Electric Bike Book and find the e-bike that's right for you.